Have you ever wanted to make your very own villager shop completely customized, such as the trades that it offers or even how it looks? Well, you can do that now using my Datapack. You see, to make even a very basic villager with only a few trades, it takes a super long and complicated command. So I decided to fix that. You see, I actually made a Datapack that lets you make these custom shops with custom trades in it super easily. All you need is a chest and a villager spawn egg. To get started making your own villager, just place down a chest in creative mode and put a villager spawn egg on top. And there you go, you've got yourself a shopmaker villager. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to select the villager, which you can do by punching it. At this point, you'll notice that there are a lot of controls that pop up in the chat. Now these are all really simple, so don't panic just yet. Underneath the villager, there is a hopper, and in this hopper there are 3 slots that represent the things it would buy and sell. For example, I can make it sell a trident in return for a diamond sword and a stick. Once I've done that, just open up the controls and press add trade. Notice that there actually is the trade that we put in there. Now, let's say you added a bunch of trades, but for some reason you added too many or you didn't like the ones you added, you can always press the remove trade button to remove the last one you added. So now we're down to 2. But wait, there's a whole lot more you can do with this. See, when adding a trade, you can actually copy exact NBT data. For example, here I have a diamond sword with an enchantment on it, which is an NBT data. When I press add trade now, you'll notice it actually has the enchantment on it, which means it is copying it exactly for what it is. Some more examples of this would be putting my own custom player head in there, plus maybe 5 sticks in return for a pufferfish. When I add that, you'll see that my custom player head appears as my head, and there are 5 sticks instead of 1. Because of this, you are not limited by anything, so you can put anything in there, no matter what name it has or what enchantment it has. Now our villager is looking pretty generic right now, so let's change that using the 3 other options down here: profession, level, and biome. By clicking profession, you will cycle through all of its available professions. For example, I would like to keep the cleric profession. The level cycles through all its levels: bronze, gold, emerald, and diamond. I'll stick with diamond for now. And biome, you can cycle through all the available 7 biomes. I really like the savanna biome, so I'm going to stick with that. Now there's one very important thing that we haven't customized about this yet, which is the name. Now obviously, if you're okay with just having shopkeeper, you can keep it as it is and continue, but in my case, I want to name it to villager number 24. I can do that by clicking the rename button, and a command block will actually appear. Now this is just so that you can type in whatever name you want. In here, within quotes, it has to be within quotes, you can write whatever you want. I'm going to write villager number 24. And you'll notice that the name has changed to villager number 24. But what if I want to change the color? Now for all of you who would like to customize what color this is, whether it's bold, whether it's italic, all of that stuff, I have added compatibility for JSON text components. For example, if you are familiar with JSON text components, you can put in something like this: text villager 24, color gold, bold, true. And now when I put this, it is completely stylized with the gold color and with the bold format. If you aren't familiar with this, don't worry, just put whatever you want in quotes and that will also work just fine. Once you're done with the villager, you can click the finish button and in return you will get a spawn egg, named of the name of your villager. In my case, that would be villager number 24. I can then put this wherever I want and it will be an exact copy of this villager here. It has the exact same trades, exact same name, and exact same look. However, this one is now the final version, so I can't edit it anymore, and it is able to be killed. Using this same spawn egg, I can put as many as I want, wherever I want. You can also be working on multiple shops at the same time. Just put down your shop makers, and then just select the one you want to be working on. You can see this guy's highlighted, so everything I do will now affect this guy. If I want to work on this guy, I can punch him and he'll be highlighted. So you can really be working on multiple things at the same time. Once you're done using the shopmaker villager, you can click him, press this delete button, confirm that you want to delete him, and he will go away. Anyway guys, make sure you subscribe for more content like this, and the data pack will be down in the description for those of you who want to try this out.